Good afternoon, guys. This is Dave Russell with Clash Marker. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to mark clashes with the new user interface that we just updated for Clash Marker. So I'm going to show you how it works and some of the new features and some of the definite improvements. So as you can see here, I already have clashes already defined, and most of you are familiar with this. I've already set these up myself. Some of these have been set up by a BIM coordinator, but anyway. So we've got these, and what we're going to do is, here are the files I've selected for clashes. Make sure you grab the right files, and then you're going to go to report, and you're going to write this report. Make sure you have new and active checked. I'm going to write the report. Make sure you put it in a folder that you know pertains to this project, so you know to go find that folder. And we've done this already for some of these, so they're already in the folder. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my CAD file. And on my CAD file, I'm going to go to Clash Marker. I'm going to say, okay, let's go grab these folders. Go to this folder, make sure I have the right one selected. For the project, I'm going to say open. And the new thing that we can do is we can pick and choose which clashes we want to mark now. So at this point, I'm just going to say add all. You can select some, you can select all, so on and so forth. But I'm going to say add all for each of these for right now. Okay, just for the ease of marking these. Let's see, fire lights, add all, and fire plumbing, add all. And then I'm going to go through here. I'm going to make sure I have the right families or blocks: electric, fire, nope, this is gravity, ductwork, lights, and plumbing. I'm going to say run, and I'm going to say okay. And then what it's going to do here is it's going to go through and it's going to mark every single one of those clashes at the exact location that it is in Navisworks. Not only that, it's going to mark it with the correct block, and it's going to mark it with the correct clash number as it pertains to Navisworks, so you no longer have to go search for anything. You can drive coordination in the direction that you want to work and the way that you feel is best for you. Critical path, you can decide what's best for you to clear clashes in a certain direction, so on and so forth. But this allows you to see everything. So as you can see here, if you hold your mouse over it and you have your property set up right, this is clash 47 with ductwork. So if I go back to here, to my Navisworks, and I say HVAC and fire results and go to clash 47. Let me go to clash 47. There it is. And focus on clash and hide other. So there's my clash. All right. So you'll see now that this looks like it is in access for a VAV. Now, so I can go ahead and resolve this, or one of the new features that we've had in Clash Marker is you can now go back to your clash in Navisworks, click on it, and the properties panel opens up, and you can add notes. You can say assign to HVAC due to spacing. So you can leave this clash on your drawing, and if you don't resolve it, you now have a note that'll come up and you remind yourself why you've put this on somebody else. So if you leave this clash now and you do this, you can now pick and choose which ones you're going to resolve, or you can make yourself a note as to why you can't resolve those certain clashes. All right, but there's a lot more selection now, a lot more clash marking by specific groups, specific clash numbers, specific areas. So that is the new user interface for Clash Marker and marking clashes.
That is everything you need to know how to mark your clashes from Navisworks onto your CAD drawing using Clash Marker. In the description below, you'll find a link to Clash Marker FAQ page that covers common questions you may have. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to us on our contact page, linked in the description as well. Thank you for your time and have a great day.